On behalf of Qatar Airways and the crew, I'd like to welcome you aboard our flight 037 to Paris. Our expected flight time will be 6 hours and 24 minutes. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 36,000 feet.
On behalf of Qatar Airways, the One World Alliance, Captain Martin, First Officer Andre, Cabin Services Director Sama, and our team of cabin crew. It's my pleasure to welcome you on board Qatar Airways flight QR037 to Paris. This flight is operated in conjunction with our codeshare partner, Sri Lankan Airlines. We would like to extend a special privilege to our privileged staff members and also members of the One World Frequent Flyer program traveling with us today. Customers interested in joining our award-winning program will enroll online by visiting the website www.qmiles.com. We would like to remind you to keep your personal valuables such as wallets, jewelry, and electronic devices safe at all times. As we consider your safety to be of the utmost importance, could you please give your attention to the safety video which will be streamed shortly. We wish you a pleasant flight with Qatar Airways. Thank you.
Or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the coloured flag marked 4. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt a brace position as shown on the screen. If you are seated in the premium cabin and facing to the rear of the aircraft, please adopt the brace position as shown on the screen. Next to you, where instructed by the crew, container and printing waist and fasten the front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you are leaving the aircraft and pulling the two ropes on مطلقة إلى أن يخبركم رقم الطائرة أنها آمنة للاستخدام. في حال أوقعتم جهازكم الإلكتروني داخل المقعد، يرجى عدم استخدام أزرار التحكم الخاصة بالمقعد وطلب المساعدة من طاقم الطائرة بدلا من ذلك. يرجى رفع حزام الأمان عند الإقلاع والهبوط وعندما تكون علامة حزام الأمان مضاءة. لرفع الحزام صحيحة يمكنك بعد ذلك مساعدة الآخرين. في حال الهبوط الاضطراري غير المتوقع يرجى اتخاذ الوضعية التي ستستخدم زلاقات الخروج من الطائرة للطوارئ. يرجى تذكر خلع الأحذية قبل استخدام الزلاقات. للاطلاع على أوجه السلامة على متن الطائرة يرجى مراجعة بطاقة تعليمات السلامة الموجودة في جيب المقعد الذي أمامكم. إذا كانت لديكم أي أسئلة
seatbelt sign has been switched on for landing. Please return to your seat and ensure your hand luggage is stored in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Emergency exit, including front row seat, should be clear of all items. Please fasten your seatbelt, stow your tray table, and keep your seat back upright. We ask that you place all mobile phones and electronic devices in the flight safe mode now until we have landed. Please be informed that lavatories have now been locked for landing. Thank you. Cabin crew, cabin final secure. سيداتي وسادتي، أسعد الله أوقاتكم بكل خير وحمدا لله على سلامة الوصول. أهلا وسهلا بكم في فرنسا. لقد هبطنا عن سلامة الله وحفظه في مدينة باريس مطار شارل دي غول الدولي. المبنى رقم 1. التوقيت المحلي هنا يشير تمام الساعة 9:05 مساء. درجة الحرارة المسجلة خارج الدائرة 15 درجة مئوية. لسلامتكم أرجع على حضراتكم نتكرم ببقاء الجالسين في مقاعدكم أنقاء الأحزمة مربوطة إلى أن تتوقف إلى نهائيا وتطفئ إشارة الأحزمة. نرجو من حضراتكم التكرم في اسحاب جميع الأمتعة قبل مغادرتكم الطائرة.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Paris in France. We just landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport, Terminal 1, where the local time is 5 minutes past the hour of 9 in the evening, and the outside temperature 15 degrees Celsius. On behalf of Qatar Airways, the Oneworld Alliance, our co-share airline partner Sri Lankan Airlines, Captain Martin, First Officer Andre, and the entire flight crew, we wish you a pleasant stay in Paris or a safe journey to your final destination. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and good evening.
Cabin crew is on those for arrival and cost check.
Attention, arrivée